move into a house, you have to make it a home. This is my safe haven.
A home is where you should be comfortable.
Where people spend the majority of their life. I believe that it's a sacred place. It's their castle.
It had the right landscape. It was just a matter of putting the creative spark to it.
We have to have a strong foundation.
We saw the vision of what we like.
People get knocks on the doors all the time.
I am very thankful that I answered the door that day.
We just immediately connect in the spirit.
People are the business. You don't get this support anywhere else.
Your home is typically one of your biggest investments, so what I would want for somebody to do in my house, that's the way I treat every homeowner.
I personally get a lot of satisfaction repurposing things, revitalizing things.
This house is a great example of that.
When we do something, we do it right. That's why we go with power, actually.
We don't view people as clients. When I walk through the door, that person is a human being.
It was like we just had a neighbor over here.
Their focus is always how to help people out. It built a lot of trust.
We're very thankful to have found power. The trust that we put into them has been returned to us.
Not only are we green, but we're very happy with it.
It was really the best decision I could have ever made.
Look forward to a new chapter in life.
We're lucky that they did knock on the door. I'm glad they did.